Hi everyone, this is Liz from Laptop Battery Express. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in a Dell Inspiron 17 5000 series laptop. The link for this laptop's battery can be found in the video description below. Stay tuned until the end of the video for a coupon code used only at laptopbatteryexpress.com. First, what you'll need is your battery, a liter container to put your laptop battery screws in, a screwdriver that comes with your purchase, and for the convenience of this video, the back of this laptop is ready to take off. Once you're inside the laptop, you'll see the battery. Unscrew the place-holding screws carefully. Your screwdriver should be magnetic. Once unscrewed, you'll want to remove the old battery, set it aside, place the new battery carefully in and plug it in. Screw your new battery in and replace the back of your computer. Once you've screwed your back on, you'll be all set to power on your computer. Thank you for tuning in, and you can find the products used in this video in the link in the description below.